Hello and welcome to Adam and Val YouTube channel. We got this 3-ingredient chocolate cake. No flour. No flour, no egg, no sugar. What else did it have no of? No butter, no oil. Just a chocolate cake there. The topping, which was an Easter egg that I recycled. Basically the main ingredients are going to be cookies, bourbon and baking powder. So this is how you're going to make it. Watch this video and we'll come back and we'll taste it. I ain't tasted that yet. So here we go with a 3-ingredient chocolate cake. You're going to need 350 grams of chocolate biscuits, cookies, bourbons, everything you see there. There's just some bourbons, chocolate cookies, any biscuits, they're just Maryland cookies there. You're going to need some biscuits. I'm still picking the biscuits up. You're going to need a blender, a mixer, something that looks like this. You're going to also need some baking powder. That is 2¼ teaspoons of baking powder, and you're going to need 370 grams of warm milk and a blender as well. Put your biscuits in. I will put all the instructions down below. Give these a blend so it's nice and fine crumbled biscuits like you can see I'm doing here. Look at that. Just look at that. That's a work of art right there. Then you just put these in your bowl. Then you're going to put your baking powder in on top just like that. Then you're going to give it a bit of a stir just to get it going, and then you're going to add your warm milk. This works so much better with warm milk. Just warm the milk up a little bit on the pan or in the microwave. Mix this in, and now we're going to get our blender, whisk, whatever this thing's called, and we're just going to whisk it so it's nice and smooth. You'll see it in a minute. It's a bit lumpy now, but when I'm finished here, it's going to be nice and smooth, just like that. Look at that. That's your mixture there. So put some. Right, this is where I got a bit carried away with this baking paper. I saw someone on telly, Jamie Oliver, no names mentioned, crumble it and like crunch it up and put it in. And yeah, I've gone for the rustic look. But pour it in here, and then you just want to put it in the oven. Let's say 180 for 30 minutes, but keep checking it. But we're going to put that in the oven now. Just keep checking it. When it feels like a cake, it's done. I didn't really time it, to be honest, that's why I can't remember. This is an optional extra for the topping. Want to recycle some Easter eggs if you've got any left over. I've got one here. Just gill it here, smash it up to pieces, small pieces, and then just melt it down, and it will be a lovely topping. Make sure you crumble it in small pieces, and if you're doing it in the microwave, you only need to microwave it for a few seconds. Just keep checking it. You don't want to burn that chocolate, and that will be your topping there. And there's the cake come out there. It's a little bit hot, the pan, just be careful of that. And there you can see I've got the rustic look with that baking paper. Yeah, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. It's very hot. And just to test your cake, you can put a little skewer in it, or you can just fill it. It's almost like a brownie, this one. Then we can get our topping and melted egg and put it on top and make it look as nice as we can. Just like that. Look at that. That right there is a work of art. Smooth it all over, put it all nicely, and I'm going to put them little eggs on top as well. I've almost gone for the rustic look with this cake. Homemade for sure. Put your little eggs on top if you've got any of these anyway, or you can do whatever you want for your topping. And there we go, a 3-ingredient chocolate cake made with bourbons, baking powder and milk. Right, so now I'm going to cut this and taste a bit of this. How's your cutting, do you think?
Squares.
Squares?
Squares, you get an egg in each square.
Yeah, it has got, like you saw in the video, I didn't do that baking powder that good. The baking paper stuff, I didn't put it in there. I should have cut the corners. And I saw Jamie Oliver scrunch it up and put it in the thing, and I thought that would have worked, but it didn't. So I'm going to cut this into squares.
I think that you used the baking paper around the wrong way.
Oh, I used the baking paper around the wrong way. Upside down, did I?
I think you did.
Oh. So it's still a bit wet, that chocolate, so I could have left it longer, but I was getting impatient with it. So here we go, I'm going to cut this corner here. Because that was an Easter egg of chocolate, that should harden up, shouldn't it? If you left that in the fridge or leave it for a bit longer, that should harden up. So there's a corner there. Let's have a look at this sponge. Look at that! Now that has come from the main ingredients being baking powder,
Chocolate biscuits.
and the chocolate biscuits. I'm going to go straight in and have a bite.
So what was the shortage of flour at the moment?
Yeah, no, the wife just said the shortage of flour, you can do this. Oh, that's probably the best cake I've ever had in my life. Take it. Have a bite and give it honest opinion. You might need a glass of milk with it. Be kind. No. Nice words, please.
Sticks to your teeth a bit.
Right, so, but it's like a brandy sort of in the middle, isn't it? Yeah, you do need a glass of milk with it.
What the mouth stuck together.
Wife's mouth stuck together, but look at that.
Maybe a few extra minutes in the oven.
A few extra minutes in the oven, maybe. She's saying. But I'm impressed with that. 3 ingredient chocolate cake there. Obviously, none of all that no stuff. It's got none of that in it. Glass of milk with that, and you're all set. I'll see you in that next video. Do you want a bit more? No. That's stuck in my palate.
A bit claggy to the top of your...
Yeah, why is that, do you think, though? What could I have done to stop that? That's just how it is.
That's just how it is.
That's just how that is. It's stuck to my palate. It was made with biscuits, remember? If you want to shut someone up 5 minutes, just give them one of them, don't you? So I'll take this at work.
Just keep eating then. Keep eating it.
I'll take it at work tomorrow.
Shut you up for 5 minutes.
I'll take it at work tomorrow, get a bit of peace.